How to earn money on ExpertOption trading platform. You most probably have heard about Forex trading. You, however, did not think that it was your thing, or anything worth the try. But in more than one instance you keep asking yourself, can I ever make money online trading Forex? The most definite answer to your question is absolutely yes. You can actually make money online trading Forex. Then you ask, how can I make money online trading Forex? Well, today I came with the video that will answer your question. What you need to do is watch the video up to the end. This is Norbipol TV, please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. How to make money trading on ExpertOption. To make money online trading Forex, you need a reliable and favorable broker that is convenient and flexible to adapt to your needs. Well, look no further. ExpertOption is that very broker for newbie traders. We are going to look into the how of making money online with ExpertOption. But before then, let's understand what ExpertOption is. What is the ExpertOption? ExpertOption is a binary options trading platform. The platform offers over 100 different financial assets which include currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, and stocks. ExpertOption offers a $10,000 free demo account and up to 95% returns on the invested amount. The minimum deposit amount with ExpertOption is just $10 and the minimum trading amount is only $1. This makes it quite simple to get started. Great bonuses are also available on deposits. The minimum withdrawal amount from the ExpertOption platform is $10 as well. Make money trading Forex with ExpertOption in the following steps. 1. ExpertOption app download. ExpertOption offers users a wide range of trading platforms which involve trading via the web, mobile apps, desktop apps. ExpertOption has created mobile apps for Android and iOS devices. These can be downloaded from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. ExpertOption Trading App. It will take barely a minute for the ExpertOption app to be downloaded and installed on your device. 2. Demo Account Practice. Note that demo account practice comes before any registration. You do not need to register to get a demo account in ExpertOption. You only need to access any of the ExpertOption's trading platforms which are the web, mobile, and desktop apps. Once you open the ExpertOption's platform of your choice, you will be directed to the demo account. Remember, no login details are required to access the ExpertOption's demo account. Once in the demo account, you will realize that ExpertOptions offers you a whole free virtual $10,000 to begin practicing Forex trading. The platform has over 100 different financial assets that can be traded on a fixed time basis. Indices, cryptocurrencies, currencies, commodities, and stocks can all be traded on the platform. You only need to choose which one to trade. The platform has about 8 to 10 indicators and oscillators. These can be used for trend prediction for accurate predictions which translate to more earnings. Lines like horizontal, vertical, and ray are also available for a similar purpose. ExpertOption price charts include the area chart, line, Japanese candles, and bars which can be customized into different periods. Each asset has a range of trading periods which you can choose from 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or even longer. You only need a minimum of $1 to place a single trade in ExpertOption. 3. Registration in ExpertOption. You can create an ExpertOption account from the app after downloading and installing it. You can also register as a member of ExpertOption. I put the link in the description. In either case, you will only be required to enter your email address, set your own password, accept the terms and conditions to get an active account. There are other options to register on ExpertOption which are available on the registration interface. These are registration through your Facebook account or Google account. After successful registration, then you are ready to go ahead and deposit funds. 4. Deposit funds in ExpertOption. To deposit funds into your ExpertOption account, you can follow the following step. log into the ExpertOption platform. Locate the menu button on the top far left, hit the menu button. Select Finances from the menu. At the bottom, locate three prominent buttons: Deposit, Payment History, and Withdraw. Hit the Deposit button. Choose or enter the amount to deposit. The minimum deposit amount is $10. Choose the payment system you prefer. Several payment systems are supported, including M-Pesa, Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, Perfect Money, Yandex Money, among other methods. Press Continue and follow any further instructions. Your real account will be credited instantly. 5. Live account trading in ExpertOption. As we mentioned, you can earn profits up to 95% of the investment amount in ExpertOption. To earn, you have to predict whether the price of an asset will go up or down within a specified period. If you predict correctly, you earn the specified percentage of the invested amount plus the invested amount itself. That is exactly the same thing that you have to do on a live account to earn real money. Let us use the example of GBP/USD, whose rate of return is 85%. You predict that the price will go up in 5 minutes by investing $10. Upon expiration, you win. $8.50 plus the invested amount, $10, will be credited to your live account immediately, making your account shoot higher by a whole $8.50. Let us say you predict that the price will go down. You take a down position for 5 minutes by investing $10. Upon expiration, you win. Whether the price goes up or down, we make money either way. Sounds like you need to try this? Of course, you do. 6. Withdrawal of profits in ExpertOption. Withdraw funds from ExpertOption in the following steps. Log into the ExpertOption platform, locate the menu button on the top far left, hit the menu button. Select Finances from the menu. At the bottom, locate three prominent buttons: Deposit, Payment History, and Withdraw. Hit the Withdraw button. The payment method you used while depositing will be used while withdrawing. Enter the amount to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal amount is $10. Enter your details in the fields as specified. Hit the Request button to send a withdrawal request. Withdrawal requests may take up to a workday, but often, they are instant. ExpertOption does not charge any commission on withdrawals. Conclusion: have you now realized that you can actually make money online trading with ExpertOption? Absolutely. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.